Well, I think the Charter has not reached its peak. I think so long as the Windsor Law School keeps producing inventive lawyers, there will be new arguments, new issues. It is quite extraordinary that after 30 years of the Charter, there are still some very basic questions unanswered. For example, at the outset, you referred to the Sinclair case and whether a person detained has the authority or the right to have counsel present during interrogation by the police, or at least the right to have access to counsel. I think most of us would have assumed, well, that has to have been an issue that came up at the beginning of the life of the Charter. It's so basic to the interaction between the state authority represented by the police and between persons who are presumed to be innocent. But lo and behold, there was a great big gap in the jurisprudence which the court was called on to fill. I think in the next little while there will continue to be a good deal of litigation over police powers, over privacy, over the ability of the citizen to stand up to the intrusion by the state, these television cameras that are now everywhere and recording everybody's every move, the pooling of information within the government about individuals, even the argument about smart meters on electricity supply as being able to build up a profile of what's going on in your household hour by hour by reference to the consumption of electricity, and whether that puts marijuana grow-op operators at an unfair disadvantage. So, so long as there are interactions between the individual and the state, and so long as the state continues to grow, and so long as there is this need to balance law and order against the civil liberties of the individual, the Charter will just keep on rolling.